making cake mix banana bread. Now, my bananas I throw in the freezer just like that. They're not totally defrosted yet, so I'm gonna throw them in the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds to let them defrost. All right, there they are. Now mine went about 40 seconds because they were really not defrosted. Then just pinch off the ends, just like so. And then you're just gonna squeeze it. Oops, mine busted. You're just gonna squeeze it out of the banana peel. All right, then I have a third of a cup of oil. And I need 3 eggs. And then my cake mix. Before I show you my secret ingredient, in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2, we have 14 different variations on how to make banana bread. You can add all of these in there. I, though, am going to do something that's not in there. I am going to sprinkle the top with a little bit of brown sugar so it has a nice crumble crunch crust. So I saw this one and thought I would like to try that and see. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees. Oh my goodness, that looks so delicious.